rise in opposition to AB 1655 because it is part of a dishonest campaign of fear-mongering.
Excuse me, we do not want to start that way. We do not want to impugn the motives of your colleagues.
I believe the arguments made in support of AB 1655 are dishonest. They're not tethered to reality. I mean, you'd have as much opportunity with a bill if you said that you were going to ensure that people kidnapped by aliens or gnomes on a shelf would get protection. Because the reality is this: you are demonizing federal law enforcement, making things up.
Excuse me, Mr. Demio. Assemblymember Bonta, you are recognized.
I believe the statement you are demonizing is impugning the character of my colleague.
Mr. Demio, second warning, please.
You may not want to hear my arguments, but these arguments are shared by millions of Californians. And you have the votes to shut me up, to shut off my microphone in making my speeches against your bills. But you know what that means? You don't have the ability to use facts and logic and evidence to support the divisive bill that you've brought forward. If you don't like what I have to say, you can always stand up and argue in favor of the bill.
Mr. Demio, let's stay to the merits of the legislation, sir. Excuse me, Mr. Demio, don't interrupt the chair.
My opposition to this bill and several others is that the bills are designed for political theater, not good public policy. You are inventing a problem that doesn't exist, and this stunt puts fear in the hearts of so many Californians needlessly. And it divides Californians from law enforcement, which is a dangerous path to go down. We have disagreements on immigration policy, and that's okay. You can have a disagreement. There are some that believe that we should have an open border. There are some that believe we should have amnesty. Others, like the constituents I represent, and I would believe most Californians, we support law enforcement. We believe that we should have a vetting process. We believe in the rule of law, and we do not want to have our law enforcement members who are just trying to do their job to keep us safe demonized. We also don't want to strike fear in the hearts of our community members by inventing things that are not actually happening. I think it's shameful. Leadership requires that even if we disagree on public policy, that we temper our arguments to make sure that we are not needlessly putting people in stressful situations. It does not result in good outcomes. I have a right to state the case against these bills on behalf of my constituents. You may not like it, but I respect your rights to speak against my points on this floor.
Mr. Demio, okay.
Discussing the bill, you may not agree with my points, but I have a First Amendment right to represent my constituents, and the Supreme Court has ruled that legislatures cannot limit that. With that, I ask for a no vote.